Okay, so with us now we have Sophie, and Sophie embodies that really bright, illuminous, almost tropical fish. You can see with her haircut, it's a very strong silhouette, very visual. You can see a lot of disconnected pieces which are kind of emulating that floaty, soft texture, and we've got the disconnections through the top as well, where you can see where we've punched that colour through to really embody and emulate that tropical pattern through the fish. I hope you really like that one. Thank you.